If you've got a frozen yogurt business and you're looking for an affordable, professional way to advertise your services, well, you've definitely come to the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to build a simple website for your frozen yogurt business on the Mighty Sites platform. Now, if you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so you can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for very small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top, search for our market, frozen yogurts. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, your city, and your state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, Mighty Sites will automatically generate a simple website for you and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close that pop-up off, and today I'm going to be showing you the ropes. Awesome. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline. Of course, we understand that building a small business is so time demanding, so we wanted to make it as easy as possible for you to launch a simple website for your business. We've also pre-selected the images as well. As you can see, they're all really high quality. As you can see, they all look absolutely delicious as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of all the amazing frozen yogurt you're serving up. You want to showcase it on your website, maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to this content, make it a little bit more personalized to your business. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding, be a web professional in any kind of way, and you certainly don't need to hire a professional to help you with this either. You can do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started, make it more customized. I'm going to go ahead and click on the food section at the top, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers. So let's go ahead and tick that box. Phone number is click to call. And physical location, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that physical location and be taken directly to Google Maps. And update social links, put in your various social media platforms, the links that your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your Mighty Sites website. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section over here on the left, click on update logo uploaded. Once it's been uploaded, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames by clicking on that pencil. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller to fit into that section a little bit better. If you'd like to change the colors, click on that paint bucket bottom right hand corner. Go through the various color palette options available for you to use. There's so many different ones to choose from. For each section, you want to make a bit more personalized to your business. All you need to just click on that update section button, head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device and upload your own images or search through the photo library. There's hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. Go ahead and search through the photo library and take a look and just see which one suits your business best and which one fits into the section well. Let's put that one. Awesome. So you can go ahead and just choose one that select and suit your business best in that section. That was just an example, of course. Under update action, we have the buttons where you can change the button text and where those buttons link to. You can even upload a PDF file. And maybe if you have a menu, you can put in the button, view our menu, and upload the menu under PDF. If you maybe take online orderings or have a delivery service, you can link to another website and put in the website URL over here. Awesome. In the next section over here is where you can put in your opening hours for your frozen yogurt business. Head on over to update hours, put in each day, and once you click and save, the page will automatically reload after saving, displaying your opening hours for your customers' convenience in that section over there. If you have a custom domain, go ahead and click on connect your domain at the bottom. If you don't have a custom domain, we do recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. go ahead and click on that button as well. You can actually purchase a custom domain via the Mighty South platform. Really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your frozen yogurt business, and I'm really wishing you and your business Mighty success.